afternoon to all of you. So today's session, which we are conducting, is on my story, and that is a motivational story from a successful entrepreneur. So our expert for today's program is Engineer Vikas Jain. So he has not joined yet, but he will be joining very soon. So you please stay there. I have patience.
Neeraj, I have already joined.
Okay, sir. I welcome you to our program. My story, which is based on motivational factors for our new budding entrepreneurs. Now, let me introduce to you our expert, Engineer Vikas Jain. He did his engineering from SSBT College of Engineering, Jalgaon, in the year 1998. And from the days of inception, when he passed out, he had something in his mind that he wants to become an entrepreneur. He wants to start his own venture. So going by that, he just initiated some concepts. Well, some concepts are very new. For example, the solar power, which we are very much using today, and we have not tapped the energy as yet. We are just in the infancy stage. So he had a vision to start something new. And for the last so many years, he has now become a successful entrepreneur. He has received various prizes and various appreciations from the renowned organizations, or you can say from the renowned personalities of our country and abroad. Now, not wasting much time, let me invite Engineer Vikas Jain to our program. And sir, please start your proceeding.
Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you for giving such a beautiful introduction. Thank you all of my young friends, Dinesh Gupta sir and Anup Kumar sir. As Neeraj said, I did my engineering with your Neeraj sir from Jalgaon in production branch in year 1998. When we passed out, at that time, nothing was clear in my mind what I have to do, whether I want to do a job, whether I want to be an entrepreneur, whether I want to do a business, nothing. I came out and start searching some new ventures. I worked out for different ideas, at least 40-50 ideas I worked out, from plantation, dairy farming, poultry, mineral water, plastic dyes, everything I tried. And eventually I started up a very small fabrication unit. And I started making some fabrication jobs for Myco. Then for something for Indian Oil, I started making some tanks for Indian Oil at a very small scale. I had a very small industrial plot and a bike at that time with me. In year 2000, one of my friend from same engineering college, Manish, which was earlier room partner of your Neeraj sir, we together planned to start a new trading business. And we took dealership of a Swiss company, which was making some industrial walls and boiler mountings. All the mechanical students must have studied safety walls, steam walls, boiler mountings. This company is making that products. And we became their dealers for Rajasthan. We don't had very much capital with us. With a very small amount of 1 lakh rupees, 50,000 I invested, which I borrowed from my father, and 50,000 Manish has arranged. And we had a very small room in my home from where we were operating, and a bike. That's all. With this investment, we started our business. Slowly, we came to learn the things from the customers only. No one was entertaining us as if we don't have any experience, we don't have any much stocks, we don't have money to give the credits. For doing business, you need a lot of money to give credit. So we don't have anything, but we have knowledge. We thoroughly learned the product, what we were going to sell. उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में हमें each and everything, even the things which company engineers didn't know, that things we were knowing. Even company engineers came to us and asked us कि this is the application, which product we should use. Today, many students must be from the mechanical branch. You must have read about boilers. I also did my engineering from mechanical. I also learned a lot about boiler. But my first experience was for boiler was in year 2001. I went to a power plant. There, some engineer told me that we had some requirement for boiler spares. So I asked him to let's go at the boiler and see it. So he bring me into a very large hall. It must be around more than 200 feet of height. And a very large construction, a very large machine was in front of me, and I was seeing here and there, where is the boiler? It was nothing like that, the pictures I saw in my books. It was more than 100 feet high boiler. Later I came to know that it is a boiler. So slowly we started up adding the things with our hard work, with our continuous struggle. We added more and more products to our kitty. We travel mostly in the night so that we don't have to do any expense in our hotel rooms. So mostly we travel in the night. And we had one at that time in the year 2002, mobile phones were launched. So we took one mobile phone, which was common between both of us. By year 2006, we were able to establish as a good, our reputation was very good in the market. We were able to gain the confidence of the customer due to our continuous hard work. And you should always, what should I say? You should always commit in front of your customers. If anybody wants to be an entrepreneur, you should always commit what you can deliver. Do not make false commitments in your professional lives, in your personal lives also. You don't make false commitment. At the end of the day, it's the reputation, what you earn in the market will count, and the relation what you make in the market.
Because you are not audible. यही तो चक्कर हो गया। मैंने यहाँ पता किया, वो कहते भी हमारी तरफ से तो कुछ नहीं है, ये वहीं से हो गया।
नहीं हो रहा यार, इसमें आ रहा है कुछ फेल टू डिटेक्ट योर सिस्टम।
सर इट्स ऑडिबल सर।
मैं 1 मिनट एग्जिट करके वापस से एंट्री कर रहा हूँ।
सर इट्स ऑडिबल सर,
है ना, उनको बोल देना मैं एंट्री कर रहा हूँ, वापस ले।
Well, there seems to be some technical glitch from his end. Let's wait for some time. Just sorry for the inconvenience.
Hello.
Sir, it's audible, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
it's audible. Yeah, I think there's some problem in my laptop. So in year 2006, we were appointed as a dealer of Jindal Pipes for the state of Rajasthan. And that was a very major game changer in our career. Suddenly, from a very small trader, we got into a field of very high volume trades in which steel trade was involved, high value transactions was involved, and every year we managed a growth of around 100%. By 2014, a small company which we were running had an office in Kota, Indore, Delhi, Jaipur, and our turnover had crossed almost 60 crores. With a capital of 1 lakh, we were managed to do a business of, with an initial capital of 1 lakh, we were managed to do a business of 60 crores, sorry. Then we found that almost we have achieved the saturation in what we were doing, and nothing new was going to be happen, and everything was getting very monotonous. So we decided for some new businesses which we can do. As you all know, renewable energy is a very, very strongly coming up in India. India is doing a lot of work in renewable, and somehow we came into, we decided to go something in solar. At that time, nothing was clear ki what should we do in solar, but we decided ki something in renewable we have to do. So we started searching what different business can we do. We started visiting various countries. We have visited China, Taiwan, Korea, Vietnam, lot number of factories related to solar, lot number of solar companies which were doing solar business. All of the top 10 companies of the world which were in these countries, we have visited. And we came up with a plan that we will manufacture solar panels in India, and which are very, very, very rarely available in India. All the solar panels at that time were imported from China. So we ourselves imported a lot quantity of solar panels from China to get in depth knowledge of the product. And by year 2016, we set up a new company, Insolation Energy Private Limited. And Insolation Energy Private Limited is in Jaipur. And here we are making solar panels. It is a world-class plant and largest in Rajasthan and second largest in North India. Our material is going up to your city, Jammu. Every month we are selling a lot of panels in Jammu also. So in 2017, we started up with this company with a very small line. with a capacity of 30 megawatt only. 30 megawatt of solar panels we were producing in this company at that time. This business started growing, and almost every year, business was getting doubled, both in terms of value and both in terms of capacity. And we go on adding the capacities every year. Second, one suggestion to the budding entrepreneurs is, if you want to grow the business, you have to invest in it. You have to invest your time. You have to invest your money. You have to treat it like your baby. This business, we always tell in our sales meeting that this factory or our businesses are not standing. This foundation is not on the land. It's on our shoulder. इसको हमने अपने कंधे पे खड़ा किया है. एक बाइक से एक 1,000 रुपए का आइटम बेच के we have created this company. So we never let anyone to bring any harm to the reputation of the company, whether it may be the CEO of the company. Now our capacity is around 200 megawatt. We did a business of around 200 crores last year. We are setting up a very advanced robotic plant in Jaipur. Maybe by April or May this year, it will be started. It is a 500 megawatt capacity plant. The total group capacity will be around 700 megawatt. And we are coming up with our IPO. Soon this company is going into, our company is going public, and it would be a listed company. So in 20 years of my journey, we have reached so far, and within the next 4 to 5 years, we hope to cross 1,000 crores of business. My suggestion to young children and the budding entrepreneurs and the new engineers, I am also passed out from a very normal college. Initially, people or my relatives, they used to say, you are doing engineering from a private college. No one will give you job. No one will give you, you can do nothing in life. So don't ever think about this. Anyone can do anything. Even an IT engineer can do a startup. Even you people can do a startup. You have to keep your eyes and thoughts open and do whatever you do it passionately. I invite any students, any faculty, if you ever been to Jaipur, or you can make a program to Jaipur, coordinate with your director, sir, and you can visit our factory. You can do summer training over here. Neeraj, anything you want to say?
Definitely. We will plan. Only because there's a problem of corona right now, but in future, when the classwork will start in the normal mode, which we call as offline mode, we will plan a visit to the insolation energy, and I want to make my students understand the robotics and the automation, which is
this plant is totally based on robotics and automation. A lot of PLC, a lot of computerization. The panel is never touched by hand till it is made. From the starting point to the end point, it is never touched by hand. It's a total robotic and automated process. If you have interest in that, you are most welcome to visit our factory. And the new factory which we are getting up is, it would be one of the most advanced factory in India for solar panels. Our panels are widely accepted. We are exporting to Africa and some Middle East countries also, apart from supplying all over in India.
No, Vikas, let me ask you on behalf of students that how the main thing is now you have achieved so much.
See Neeraj,
How to motivate?
I would like to add on something on that only. I had never planned from when I was in engineering final year. I started thinking of the job or everything, but at that time we never planned that I will do this and this and I will go at that end. Certain things you have to leave on the flow of life. Something you कहते हैं ना जैसे इसके जीवन की धारा के साथ बहते चले गए. But I did my best. I did it honestly and I did it passionately. Even I used to anyone can had matched the timing of my arrival. I am never late for a meeting. If you call me at any meeting, I will always be on time. I always reached office on time. My office time was at 10:30 at that time also. Even sometimes this happened. My brother was coming from US. He reached home at 10 o'clock, but I had to go office at 10:30. So I leave the home for office at 10:30 only. So you have to have that dedication and you should love your job. If you will love your job, you will always grow. अगर आपको टाइम काटना है तो वो बात दूसरी है.
यही मैं बच्चों को समझाना चाहता था कि इस सेशन का पर्पस ही यही है. द पर्पस, ओनली पर्पस इज कि हमें ये देखना है कि कामयाब तो हम देख रहे हैं कि कामयाब कैसे हुआ, मगर उसके पीछे का जो एफर्ट है, डेडिकेशन है, ऑनेस्टी है, पंक्चुअलिटी है. दिस इज द मॉरल ऑफ द सेशन, दैट इफ दीज थिंग्स आर प्रेजेंट इन आवर बडिंग इंजीनियर्स, दे विल श्योरली एक्सेल इन देयर फील्ड्स. तो मतलब कहानी ये सारी यही है कि आजकल के जो इंजीनियर्स है उनमें एक जील होना चाहिए, जज्बा होना चाहिए, जोश होना चाहिए. सबसे बड़ी बात ऑनेस्टी. ये भी नहीं, जैसा आपने कहा, बिल्कुल यही हमारे बच्चों को हमें अब जो स्टार्टअप वेंचर में जाएंगे कि पंक्चुअलिटी, जैसे मीटिंग में लेट नहीं होना, किसी से मिलने जाना है, यू हैव टू बी ऑन टाइम, टाइम की वैल्यू करना, फिर ऑनेस्टी के साथ काम करना, यू डोंट हैव टू चीट एनीबॉडी. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स which will surely
one of the main important factor Neeraj, I would like to add upon, you should commit only that that you can deliver.
Yeah, that's right. सबसे बड़ा
उसी चीज के लिए आप कमिट करो. हाँ,
जो आप कर सकते हो. So can you share some pics?
Sure.
So
just a second. I am sharing my screen. These are the few awards which we have received within 2 to 3 months only. I am showing only the latest awards and recognition which we have received. This is Rajasthan Industrial Icon Award. This is being presented by the Rajasthan State of Minister of Industries for Rajasthan, Shri Prasadi Lal Meena ji.
It's not visible.
Then, pardon?
Well, that pic is not visible.
Not visible?
Yes. You have shared your screen, but we can't see anything. Have you shared any pic?
Yeah, this picture is opened up.
Yeah, this has not opened. Right now, it's not visible. Because
now can you see anything?
The screen is visible. You have shared your screen. That's okay.
Now?
No, it's not opening. The photo which you are opening is not opening.
Not able to see the photographs. This one?
No. No.
I don't know.
We
Some problem is there.
Screen is visible to us, but I just wanted that our students see the pics also and feel motivated.
I don't know why it's not being shown. It's written you are sharing the screen. Let me send it to you. Can you share your screen, Neeraj? Shall I send it to you?
Yes. Yes, you can send it. It's not.
Just a minute. Give me a minute.
No problem.
Neeraj, I have sent it to your WhatsApp. Hello? Hello?
Yes, I am receiving these photo pics.
Okay. Can you see my screen now? Can you see my screen now? Hello? Hello, Neeraj, can you see my screen now?
Yeah, we can see, sir.
And this image? Any photograph can you see?
Image is not right now visible. Screen is definitely visible. Now I have told my expert Robin, he will share the pics which you have sent to me on WhatsApp.
Okay, you can share it.
Engineer Robin, if you can share those pics. And
Just a minute,
also.
sir. Just a minute.
Okay, sir. Okay, no problem, sir.
Now it's visible, sir.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yes.
This
Yes,
award is a
no,
Rajasthan Industrial Icon Award. This is being presented by Minister of State for Industries, Shri Prasadi Lal Meena ji. He has given us this award in last month only. This award is Best Employer of Rajasthan. This is being given by Shri Om Birla ji, who is Speaker for Lok Sabha. This is being collected by my partner. And this award is for Best Employer for the state. This is also given last month only. This award is being given by Shri Narayan Rane, who was earlier Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and now he is a Center Cabinet Minister for Industries. This is Youth Icon Award. This is also given last month only. So these are the few awards. This you can see. This is our factory, where we are making these solar panels. Now, this is a very old pic. Now it is very, this complex is now very large. This is our office and my partner. These are the various products that we are dealing in. These are the pipes and the fittings with which we have started our business. We are also into health and fitness. We are running 2 health and fitness center in Jaipur with Talwarkars. Lot of projects we have done with MES, with military. With military, we have done lot of projects in all parts of India. We have installed solar panels for military at around 12 locations. So it's a very large presentation, just a brief about of our company. Neeraj, anything else I can add? Hello?
Yes, the presentation is, this is the presentation which Engineer Vikas had sent to me, but this is a very, very big presentation.
Yeah.
So it's not possible to run the whole presentation at this moment of time, but it is surely a platform from where our students can encourage themselves, and whatever
Neeraj, I will send you a video link. I will send you a video link of the whole production process, how the solar panels are produced. So students may be interested in seeing how these panels are made. I will send you a video link which you can share with the students.
Okay, you can share with me. We can share.
Yeah, I will send you a video link. It's available on YouTube. I will share the link.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you, students, for listening me. I hope
thanks a lot.
This information will help you in future.
Spare your precious time out of your busy schedule.
No, it's okay, Neeraj, anytime.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.